What's up, guys? This is the first of many, hopefully, of adventures on the weekends. Just got up this morning. I'm gonna go to the pumpkin patch today. Gonna see how this light is outside. Might blind you. But this is our beautiful view every morning. We're gonna go see what Camden's doing and go to the pumpkin patch today. Maybe do a little fishing as well. Let's see what she's up to. Delilah, how's Delilah doing today? Where is she? She's somewhere in there. She might be getting into her little hole. Oh, that plant is so dead. Gotta change it. There she is. What's up, Delilah? Looks like Camden's getting ready too. Baby. How's it going? Oh my goodness. Okay, never mind. She's naked. We'll get back. Alright, so change of plans. We're gonna go on a hike today. Hopefully catch something and cook it up. I'm gonna grab this too. Maybe two of them. Just because I think we could get some crawdads where we're at. I need those pans, poles, cover the poles. All right. Oh, I need to get that. Perfect. Sweet.
What we doing?
Well, we're on our way. On our way to one of our spots. Wow, two of them right there.
About ready to arrest some Antioch people.
Antioch people. Driving through Antioch right now. I don't know where we're going. I think it's like Oakley.
Is it Oakley / Redwood?
I think it's Oakley.
I'm feeling a little weird right now with this
With
going on
video.
right here.
The video going on right there, yeah. Especially when you can see it, that's super
I
weird.
don't like it.
It's fine. Now you're like, oh my gosh, I don't like this.
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
You're just
Yeah, we're going to, I don't know what spot we're going to. I don't really know what it's called, but we're parking in a corner next to a creek trail. And then we're gonna go to the mouth of that creek. And then walk probably about like a mile. Hopefully we can make it. This fence is there.
And then we're gonna cook the fish we catch. We have propane.
We're gonna cook the fish that we catch. Good job, babe. We're gonna cook the fish that we catch.
And stuff.
Oh, I know.
Stuff.
I know. I can't help it. You can't do it. You're like, no.
Say it again.
All you need is a fatty. We'll get something right there.
12-incher?
12 inches.
Or
Oh, we
more.
need 12 inches. We need 12 inches, and then we could cook it up. Yeah, 12 inches is illegal.
Okay.
Legal minimum, and you don't really want to eat anything smaller than that
Why?
because you should just put it back. Put it back. Let it grow to be bigger.
Hey! Don't throw out my first
You were gonna do it.
cast.
Oh, almost got a bite though.
Okay, my turn.
Oh, took the bait. Look at that. Took the bait right off.
We have to put
Look
more
at
on.
that.
Let's put
Yeah, we
more
gotta
on.
make sure the bait's better on.
Let's pour more.
I'm glad the cop came though, because now we know it's cool.
Sure.
The sheriff, yeah.
That we're
Here we go.
allowed.
It's a fish here. I'll film you.
No,
Yeah.
no, I know what you did.
Yeah, you
I
did.
don't. No, I don't.
Do it.
I don't.
Okay. Babe, right here. You see him right here? I don't know if you guys can see him. They're right there. Nice. Just drop it, let it hit it. Pull, or you gotta get it tight. And so you could feel it bite, babe.
and pull it up because you don't want to sink it to the bottom.
I don't know how to. I'm just trying to feel out the depth.
Pull it up higher. You gotta stand up.
No, I can see it.
They're right there. They're right there. You can see them so well. Right there. Oh, almost. See how they hit it on the way down?
So fast.
You gotta pull it up higher, babe. You don't want it to go to the bottom.
Let me put more on.
They're not at the bottom.
Press pause.
That's what we always catch.
With the worms, for sure.
With the worms, yeah, that's what they like.
Mmm. That's a good lunch.
That little guy.
Good luncheon.
Over it. You over it now. It's a beautiful spot. But no fish right now. We're gonna go to a different spot. Different spot.
2 minutes in.
2 minutes in. Nice. What did you get? That's a good one.
It's a little baby.
That's not too bad though. That's a good eating size.
Really?
But yeah, but we'll put them back.
We already have so many.
What do you think? Our goal is to get a bass today.
Yes.
It's a good one. Do you want to try to get it out? Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Do you want to toss it?
Yeah.
Here. Look at that. He's so pretty.
He's so cute.
He's so pretty. Careful for the spines. You gotta hold it down. Like slide it down. Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Okay, toss it over. There he goes.
Go, baby.
He's good. Good job, babe.
Yay! 2 minutes. Baby got fish.
Got one. Got a little red here.
He's gonna give it to our buddy over here.
He's pretty.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. Right here.
Too cool. Trying to bait my hook. Mm-hmm.
All right, got our keeper bass. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how much of a keeper he is, but finally, I was saying it's starting to get dark, and we're saying,
He needs to get a bass.
yeah,
Otherwise,
we'll see how big he is. I
we're
don't
gonna
think he's
go
12
home.
inches. Well, let's find out.
Yeah.
He might be.
Let's try it.
Let's find out. Not too bad. He's a little guy.
He's a baby.
He's a little guy.
He's a 12-incher.
I don't think he's a 12-incher either. He's definitely a big mouth bass.
Let's show.
Okay, where's our... It's right here. No, I should keep it in my pocket. That's a good idea. Set him down.
I just can't see.
So from nose... No, he's 10 inches. 10 inches.
What'd you catch him with?
2 inches short.
What'd you catch him with?
I got him with a little crawdad. Got him with a little crawdad.
Bugs are out.
Yeah, the bugs are definitely out. Yeah, I got him with a little crawdad.
Yes.
Crawdad Texas rig.
Yay, babe!
Alright. Right on, let's put him back. He's 10 inches. Thanks. Oh, you want to kiss it too? Oh, you got it right there. Yeah, there it is. Oh! What?
Woo!
Nighttime. Nighttime, and we're headed home. We didn't get our 12-inch bass.
But we got a 10-incher.
Yeah, we got a 10-inch bass. We got a few sunfish.
Sunfish.
Gave a sunfish to our friend who we met.
Our friend.
Our friend, what was his name? Jihad.
Clive.
Actually, no, his name was Jihad. Jihad. I met a dude named Adrian.
Yeah.
Adrian. Who had the... Oh, he lost his phone.
And
Sucks.
we're gonna go and get some.
Yeah.
We couldn't eat it.
Since we couldn't do our catch and cook, we're gonna go eat some fish anyways.
Red lobster it is.
Red lobster?
Or
Red lobster.
red lobster.